What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got this beast over here in the cut and he ready to go. But yeah, so today I ain't really got nothing planned. I'm just gonna I gotta run a couple errands, drop off some oil, get this thing cleaned up. This thing is filthy. Think I'm playing? Look and see. Shit ain't got washed in about a good month. I might stop by and let my boys wash it at the car wash real quick. In the midst of me going to run a couple errands in it. Might have to hop on the highway. So we'll see if I have to hop on the highway if we can find something to run. You know, Sunday fun day. So, but yeah, cold start. Chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Like a little pig. Anyways, let me put y'all on my head so we can get stuff going. I got shit to do. It's 1:13. We just finished our first stop. First one, AutoZone. Dump some oil here. Now I gotta go dump some oil at another one. I got too many to do at one. My boy here said he would let me do it all, but I don't want to do them like that. He didn't see how much I got back there, that's why. For it to be a hood exit. Some people say it's loud, but I think it's pretty quiet compared to a non-boosted car. It's only loud when you really get on it. That's mainly turbo noise for now. Well, we're pulling up to the AutoZone. See what's their oil capacity level looking like. Go ahead and see. Alright. We hit AutoZone. Then we just hit advance. All the oil is successfully dumped. pulled up some Mr. T's house. See what you're doing in here. All right. Mr. Terrence was not here, but I got our stuff. All right. Just pulled up to this guy. What up? I know I must have pulled up that perfect time.
Oh,
I had already had them out when you called. What up? All right, just hook me up. It does. Fourth, it gets very.
Yeah, it falls.
It's going super rich. It's going to like 10-1, 10-0.
Yeah, it falls flat on fourth.
Yes. Fourth gets flat as fuck. Even third used to feel more aggressive too.
Yeah.
One of my VVT solenoid acting up. All right, y'all. So y'all back on my tripod. I'm done doing hits for the day. Gotta go home and find a boost leak. Something's going on with the car. It's acting a little funky.